Quiet weather dominates for most of this week as your temperatures are going to slowly start to climb. This morning, we're off to a gorgeous start. You can see a little bit of that sunrise behind some of the cloud cover off into the distance. We'll stay dry today. Temperatures right now into those low to mid 60s. 64 degrees in Rockford, and we'll end up climbing to about 73 by 9 o'clock. Definitely in for yet another warm and beautiful day ahead. We'll notice some passing cloud cover and as well as some sunshine. Those temperatures are going to climb into the low to mid 80s as we also slowly start to turn a little bit more humid. We climb through those mid 60s when it comes to the dew points, close to the 70s by Thursday. So definitely going to transition to some muggier conditions by the end of the week as we then end up dropping and leveling off those dew points into the weekend. But along with the humidity also comes just a little bit of heat. At least the very high and oppressive heat we saw last week stays to the south of us. You could see it does remain further away from our area, but we still warm things up into at least the upper 80s as we get further into our Thursday and Friday. And then we transition to some cooler and just slightly below average temperatures. That's going to happen mainly after the weekend with some active weather to come through, but you'll even see that here on the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. We do transition to some slightly below average temperatures, if not right on average, which is mainly into those lower to mid 80s, may even drop into the upper 60s. As far as today goes, though, we still got the middle 80s to enjoy. Also going to see that sunshine with just a couple passing clouds, so that brings us right near average. Some calmer winds as we drop into those low to mid 60s overnight. We still end up remaining quiet and thankfully just in time for Stuff the Bus. That's going to be tomorrow. We're going to be out at North 2nd Street in Machesney Park at the Goodwill location for our annual school supply drive. Come help us out, set up the State Line students for success in the next school year, and we're going to have some great weather to do just that. We'll climb a little warmer into the low to mid 80s, may even get higher than that closer to about Thursday. That's the warming trend that we'll see as we head within the next few days. Looks like some active weather does hold off until the weekend as we then start to cool things off. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, that's where we end up seeing the upper 70s moving in, but at least we stay dry, if anything, turning just really comfortable into next week.